Hello and welcome to your quick guide to the OxBox. OxBox can help you to deliver the 2010 GCSE changes your way. Now you might want something that you can pick up and teach with, or you might want to adapt things and use your own resources. With OxBox, it's easy to do both. The home screen is split into three main areas: resources, planning, and assessment. If we click on resources, you can see at the top that we have a simple search engine. You can search for resources by topic, chapter, lesson, keyword, or by page number if you're using our books. The results of the search will appear below. We have hundreds of resources built in, including animations, PowerPoints, and interactive activities. Here's an example of our real-life math spreads, where you can bring functional maths to life. And functional maths is also embedded throughout the course. Here's an example of an animation to support AO3 problem solving. We've also got some brilliant activities using Autograph, Texas, and Cabri. And finally, you can bring in any of your own resources by clicking the Add Resource button. This allows the department to add and share any resources they like to the OxBox, meaning that all of your resources are in one place, which will save you time. If we move on to planning, you can see that we have individual lesson plans, offering full support and guidance, useful for any non-specialists and NQTs. There is also a full scheme of work and links to the full specification. Here is a lesson plan with all of the resources attached. If you're happy with this, then you can click Launch Player, and all of the resources will sit alongside the taskbar at the bottom. And you simply click on each resource to bring it up onto your whiteboard. You can print out the plan and minimize the screen so that your students don't see the plan while you're running a lesson. If you wanted to adapt the lesson, then you can do this really easily by clicking on Save As. You can then search through your resources and simply drag and drop them into the lesson. You can also change the text as well. This means that the department can create and share lesson plans especially created for your students. Assessment and monitoring progress is always a key issue. With OxBox, we have a combination of written and interactive assessments, some of which are auto-marked and graded. Here's a formative assessment which uses a traffic light system to monitor confidence as well as ability. The feedback given is the real strength. It's not just right or wrong. We give clear guidance on what they need to do to get it right, and if they get it right, it reinforces why they have got it right. This ensures that good practice is embedded. With the summative assessment, it's the same format, but they don't get any feedback until the end, when they'll be given a grade and some positive feedback. However, if we go into reports, you can access information on every summative test that every student has sat, and analyse what progress they're making at the touch of a button, without you having to do any marking. Or you can see a test report for the whole class, helping you identify where students are struggling or succeeding. The OxBox is already successfully used in thousands of schools throughout the country, and this is a very short overview. Don't forget that you have a free VLE disc included. Now go to the Let Me Play section of the disc to have a closer look for yourself, and then call your local Oxford consultant for a short demonstration. Good luck in 2010.